Okay, let's get the show on the road. We're first going to take a look at the map object that represents a web map in your ArcGIS Online. So open up the map object.py script from the map object folder. In this lesson, we are going to import the map class and create a map object. Up top, we need to import our GIS class. So from ArcGIS.gis import GIS, and this GIS class will give us access to our ArcGIS Online. We now need to import the map class, not the web map class. As of version 2.4.0, the web map class has been replaced by the map class. And the map class comes from our ArcGIS.map module, and we're going to import the map class. These two lines of code will sit at the top of almost all our scripts where we import GIS and we import our map class. We now want to access ArcGIS Online. So we'll set a variable called AGOL and we'll set this to equal our GIS class, where we'll supply in the home keyword. We'll now use our map class and create a map object. We'll create a variable called WebMap and set this to equal our map class and empty parentheses. Our WebMap variable will now be a map object. We will show that it is a map object. We will print the type of the object to screen using the built-in Python type function. We will also print our WebMap variable to screen. Now, if you're familiar with the versions prior to 2.4, you will know that there is a WebMap object definition property that is now unavailable from 2.4. So let's run our script and check the output. Our script is complete. We first accessed ArcGIS Online. We then created a map object. We then used the Python type function to print our web map variable to screen, and we can see it is of type map. We also then printed the web map variable itself, and we can see the information that we were returned was a map object, and we can see the extent of our web map that was created, and we can see the default WKID is 102100, which is the web map Mercator. From our map class, we tried to print the definition of the web map using a definition property, and we can see that there was no property named definition found. So if you're coming from before version 2.4, you need to note that that definition property has been removed. Now, we did not save our map object. It was simply held in memory as that map object, and in a couple of videos time we will save that map object and create a web map item that we can actually see in ArcGIS Online. In this video, we took our first look at the map object that is going to be central to this course. As we'll see in a couple of videos time, the map object can be saved as a web map item that we can access via ArcGIS Online, and the map object itself will allow us to interact with that web map, to add and remove layers, and to set the configurations for the web map and the layers and tables inside that web map.